Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, let's see how to install Windows in your computer. Here I am having the latest Windows operating system file and the software called Rufus to make our USB device bootable. For that, you need at least minimum of 8 GB memory of USB device to make your USB device bootable. Now connect your USB device to your computer and check if the USB device is empty or formatted. If it's not, then format it. Now close the window. Now open Rufus. By default, the USB device is automatically selected. If it's not, select it manually. Here you need to select the OS file that you are downloaded. Here is my Windows 10 ISO file. Now click open. All the details are automatically selected. Now simply click start. Here you can check the log files. It takes some time to complete, so let's wait for it. Here the process is completed. Now close Rufus, and after everything is done, now you need to restart your machine. The key to enter into boot menu is different for different brands. Now I am in the Windows installation medium. Now you can select which language you need to be installed and what time zone and currency format you are currently using. Leave it as default, we can change it later. Click next. Now select install now. Here you need to accept the Windows agreement and then click next. Here I am selecting custom install. It means all the things that in the system will be erased and the Windows will be installed freshly. Now I am deleting the previously created partitions. Now we need to create a new one to install our Windows. Here I am giving 100 gigabytes of memory for local disk C. Here it's created. Now create the remaining things. Now you need to select which partition you are going to install Windows. We are going to install Windows in the partition that we created, 100 gigabytes of size. It takes some time to complete, so wait for that. Here the installation has been completed. Now it needs to restart. Here the Windows is installed. Now select the place where you are living. And here you need to select the keyboard layout. We don't need any new layouts, so let's skip it. I don't have internet, so I can set up it later. Select on click with limited setup. Here you need to give the name for your PC. Set up a password and confirm the password again. Here you need to give 3 answers for your 3 questions for security purposes. Here you need to accept it and accept the carton. After that, it takes some time to turn on and make Windows 2 usable. Here the restart has been completed. This is your latest Windows 10 desktop screen. Here you can see we installed the latest Windows 10 operating system 20H2. And don't forget to update your Windows 10 machine. It will clear some minor errors and make your Windows 10 better suitable for you. Now let's turn off and see you in the next video. Bye.